Today we're looking at the T34 syringe driver and how to set it up. Please make sure you look at your local guidelines. The instruction that you need are the buttons on the front of the syringe driver here and the instructions at the side here. This is a computer inside here, so please make sure that you don't drop this or bang it. There are 3 detection points: the barrel clamp arm, the collar and the plunger. To start with, you need to check that the pump is clean and undamaged, that the barrel clamp arm is down, and that you put the battery in. Keep your fingers out of the way, as the pump will need to do its preloading checks. You do this by turning the machine on. The screen will tell you what is happening. Before we go any further, we need to make sure that we've got enough power in the battery to last for the next 24 hours. To do this, you press the information key and watch the instructions on the little window here. So you check the battery level, yes, and it will tell you this battery's got 98%. If the battery has only got 15% or less, if you work in the OUH, then you need to change the battery. If the battery life is only 30% or less in the community, then you need to change the battery then. The next stage is to load the syringe. You need to make sure that the syringe fits properly. Line your syringe up with where it will be and use these keys to move the plunger to the right spot. You then pull the barrel clamp arm up and fit the syringe in place. And replace the barrel clamp arm. This will give you some instructions on the front that will tell you to confirm the make of syringe. It says 30 BD Plastica. This is a 30 ml BD Plastica. You're asked to confirm this by pressing the yes button. Then you need to go to the patient and insert the cannula into the patient. And then you can start the infusion. The infusion will tell you what the rate is and how long left you've got for the infusion. It's really important that you put the keypad lock on so that none of these keys are activated whilst the pump is running. And to do this, you press the info key and hold it, and you make sure that it beeps. None of these keys will now work. If you want to check the battery level, press the info key twice, and that will confirm to you how much battery life is left. Any issues that arise from using this machine, if there are any problems with the occlusion or it stops working or there's a problem, follow the instructions that are written on the screen and look at your syringe driver guidelines, which will give you more information on troubleshooting. At the end of 24 hours, when you need to renew the syringe because the medication's run out, you draw up the medication as prescribed, you take the syringe to the patient. What you need to do is unlock the keypad, which is hold down the information key, listen until it's got an alarm, press the stop key, and you press the on-off key. And again, you wait for the beep, following the instructions. You then remove the syringe, and you're ready to start again with all the checks from the beginning.